Hello children, welcome to your 7th standard chemistry class. We are discussing the chapter 9 soil. Isn't it children? Yes. In the previous class, we have discussed about some properties of the soil. What are they children? The percolation rate of the soil, then moisture content in the soil and absorption of water by the soil. We have studied these properties by doing experiments, by explaining some experiments. Okay children, in this class we are going to learn about soil and crops. Soil and crops. Already we know that different types of soils are found in different types of places. In our country also, there are different types of soils. In some parts, there is clayey soil. In some parts, there is loamy soil. While in some other parts or some other places, there is sandy soil. Different places have different types of soil. Then the soil is affected by rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. These are the important climatic factors which affect the soil profile and bring changes in the soil structure. What are the factors which affect the soil profile, children? Which affect the soil profile and soil structure. What are the factors? They are wind, rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. The climatic factors as well as the component of the soil determine the various types of vegetation and crops that might grow in any region. In this, different types of crops are grown in different types of soil. Is it children? Okay, then now let us see what kind of soil is apt for what kind of crop. You will see. Okay, children. The components of the soil determine various types of vegetation and crops that might grow in any region. Yes. Then, what type of soil is apt for growing cereals like wheat and gram? Which soil is apt for growing these wheat and gram? Clayey and loamy soils are both suitable for growing cereals like wheat and gram. Why they are suitable for growing these wheat and gram? Because these clay and loamy soils are good at retaining water. Their water retaining capacity is good. So they are apt for growing wheat and gram. So parma, different types of soil India la vera place la different types of soil irukkum. The soil oda component then the place oda climatic factors பொறுத்து அதில் என்ன type of crop வந்து vegetation பண்ணலாங்கிறது எதை பொறுத்து இருக்குன்னா அதோட climatic factors and soil பொறுத்து தான். ஸோ எந்த type of soil என்ன type of crops வளர்றதுக்கு ஏற்றது ஆப்டானது பார்த்தோன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு wheat and gram. Wheat and gramக்கு ஆப்டான soil என்னன்னா clay and loamy soil. Why they are apt for growing these அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா because these clay and loamy soilக்கு their water retaining capacity அதிகமாக இருக்கும். தண்ணியை தக்க வச்சுக்கிற கெப்பாசிட்டி clay soil ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா clay soilக்கு பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்மால் சைஸில் இருக்கும், வாட்டர் retaining capacity வந்து ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம் அப்படிதானம்மா. ஓகே, then next for paddy means rice. Which soil is apt for growing this paddy? The soil is rich in clay and organic matter and having a good capacity to water are ideal for or ideal. Okay, children. For paddy also, soil which is rich in organic matter. In the particular soil, organic matter அதிகமா இருக்கோ plus clay particles அதிகமா இருக்கோ, that soil is apt for growing paddy. Water retaining capacity அதிகமா இருக்கிறது அந்த paddy soilக்கு aptaன soil. Paddy cropக்கு aptaன soil. Then for pulses like lentils and other pulses, which soil is suitable for growing the pulses? The loamy soil is suitable for growing pulses like lentils and other pulses. What's the reason why this loamy soil is suitable for growing pulses? Because this loamy soil drain water easily. So, the soil is suitable for growing pulses. Then, for cotton, which soil is suitable? Sandy loam or loam. Sandy loam or loam soil is also suitable for growing cotton also. Sandy loam or loam. The reason is the same reason, because these loam which drain water easily. And another reason is this sandy loam or loam soil can hold plenty of air. So, these are suitable. The sandy loam or loam soil is suitable for growing cotton. Okay, children. Cotton is suitable soil vandu sandy loam or loam soil. Then for pulses kenna pathama loamy soil. Loamy soil is the best top soil for growing pulses. Okay, children. The last but not the least, the topic which we are going to see is soil erosion. What do you mean by soil erosion, children? What do you mean by soil erosion? The removal of land surface by water, wind or ice is known as erosion. The removal of land surface by water, wind or ice is known as erosion or soil erosion. Already we know that the plant roots firmly bind the soil. Isn't it, children? Yes. The soil is the most important thing for growing plants. The soil bind the roots of the plants. Okay. What happens in the absence of plants? Or what causes the deforestation? Or what is the effect of cutting more trees? In the absence of plants, soil becomes loose. Isn't it, children? Yes. Because we know that the plant roots family bind the soil. In the absence of the plant, there is no roots to bind the soil. So, in the absence of the plants, soil becomes loose. So, the soil can be easily moved by wind or flowing water. Isn't it, children? Yes. So, erosion of soil is more severe in areas of little or no surface vegetation. If an area is covered with full of trees, the soil erosion in that area is less. Do you understand, children? Yes. But in the case of little or no surface vegetation, the soil erosion is very severe. No surface vegetation such as desert or bare lands. Bare lands means there is no plants or trees. Bare lands. So, what should we do to avoid the soil erosion? Cutting of trees and deforestation should be prevented. This only prevent the soil erosion. And efforts should be made to increase the green areas. That means we should plant more trees. This will prevent the soil erosion. Okay children, soil erosion na enna? Soil erosion na the land oda surface, இந்த நிலத்தோட மேற்பகுதி வாட்டராலையும் then wind or ice இதெல்லாம் வாட்டர் ஃப்ளோ ஆகும்போது என்ன ஆகும், அந்த சர்ஃபேஸ் லேண்டோட சர்ஃபேஸ் வந்து அப்படியே ரிமூவ் ஆகும், கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ரிமூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ தட் ரிமூவல் ஆஃப் லேண்ட் சர்ஃபேஸ் பை வாட்டர், விண்ட் ஆர் ஐஸ், இதுதான் என்னென்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா எரோசன், சாயில் எரோசன் சொல்லுவோம். சாயில் எரோசன் எப்போ அதிகமாக இருக்கும், எந்த இடத்துல அதிகமாக இருக்குன்னா எந்த இடத்துலலாம் பிளான்ட்ஸ் இல்லை, ட்ரீஸ் இல்லை, இல்லை பேர் ஏரியா மீன்ஸ், பேர் லேண்ட்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் அந்த இடத்துல எந்த விதமான வெஜிடேஷனும் இல்லை, எந்த விதமான மரம் செடி எதுவுமே இல்லை, அப்படியே காலியாக இருக்குன்னா அந்த இடத்துல ஈஸியாக சாயில் எரோஷன் நடக்கும். ஏன் மரம் இருக்கும்போது, ட்ரீஸ் இருக்கும்போது ஏன் அந்த இடத்துல சாயில் எரோஷன் நடக்காதுன்னா, அந்த ட்ரீஸோட ரூட்ஸ் வந்து சாயிலை நல்லா ஸ்ட்ராங்காக பைண்ட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கும். இப்போ வாட்டர் வரும்போதோ அல்லது நல்லா ஹெவியாக ஏர் ப்ளோ ஆகும்போதோ அந்த ரூட்ஸ் வந்து சாயிலை ஹோல்ட் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கிறதுனால ஈஸியாக erode ஆகாது. So we should plant more trees. Okay children, we will see the book back question in the next class.